Hi guys, and welcome to my online course, How to Become an Outstanding Project Manager and Not to Get Burned. During the course we will discuss the administration of a team, clients' needs, and IT project itself in details from the point of view of project manager. As a result, you will be able to manage IT projects of any complexity without overdue deadlines and unsatisfied clients. My name is Anton Kucher. For the last 10 years I manage an IT company of around 100 specialists, which is aimed at business software development and web projects for clients from Europe, the United States, and Russia. During the last 10 years of my experience in managing a team of project managers and my projects, I've gathered a course structure that is based on hundreds of implemented projects and issues that we were facing during the implementation process. I'll explain the step-by-step process of work in conflict cases and how to predict risks. We'll discuss the basics of communication with the client and your team. And the last but not least, I will share the principles of maintaining the work-life balance in your job. Unfortunately, there is no such info in universities nowadays, but you cannot be successful without it. Regardless of your work experience, the course will be helpful to those who just start to learn or have already managed some projects. You will get the information intensively and systematically. You will find minimum theory and maximum practice cases and instruments which you can use tomorrow. I will make everything possible to be sure that this is the best investment of your time. So what we are waiting for? Let's go!